This shur is on Tefila. We are by evaluation. We are toward the end of the evaluation in the morning that we say Hashem Chavis Leman Sitru Yakir Torah V'Yadif. A lot of times in life, we ask ourselves, why do we have so many mitzvot? Why do we have so many limitations? Why everything that we want to do, there is a halacha about it. There is a mitzvah about it. Why? Why is it like that? Okay, some mitzvah is good enough. Why do we need so much? No, believe it or not, every day in your praying, you say something about this idea. You said, Hashem Chafes Leman Sitru Yagit Rav. Hashem desires for the sake of the righteousness, Hashem Chafes Leman Sitru Yagtil Rav. He made great Torah and made it glorious. Why Hashem made Torah great and abundant? Because Laman says, well, because of righteousness. Because HaKadosh Baruch Hu wants to give sechut and merit, sechut and merit. Imagine the Midrash says, like a loving father wants to give to the children. They say, okay, I give this. No, my children, I love them, I like them. It's not enough. Get another one. He cannot depart from it because the expression of love that he has doesn't let him to stop. Now imagine all love is limited. The love of HaKadosh Baruch Hu is unlimited. Just like his love is unlimited, giving us unlimited. It's so. Halacha gives us better olam haba, gives us our chiyut, gives us our merit and sechut to be alive, to get prosperity, to get bracha and wisdom. The goyim don't have. They're lacking that. It's a deprivation. They're deprived from that blessings. Therefore, every halacha, every point is a blessing. Therefore, we say every day, davening, Hashem Chavis Leman Sitru Yakir Torah V'Yadif. In other words, it was a desire of HaKadosh Baruch Hu to the righteousness and to magnify Chahal Israel, to be like a kind father shows his love, that he wants to give more and more and more and more. Therefore, we are surrounded by halacha. Now, the perspective that we should have, when we look at the halacha, we should not look at the limitation. That's something. We have to know, like Swahili Kodesh says, every halacha is a device to get more blessing, to get more shape of the halacha. Imagine somebody wants to open an account for you and put millions of dollars in an account. One account, two accounts, three accounts. The more accounts you have, the happier you are. You appreciate and you are grateful. Here also, every halacha, every piece of Torah, everything is an account with unlimited sources for you to enjoy, to understand, and to develop in yourself. And that is the Jewish perspective, every halacha and every piece of Torah.